Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in ScreenFlow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use partial screen capture. So you can set an exact region on your desktop and record only that selected region. Recording partial screen in ScreenFlow could be useful if you're doing YouTube Shorts, Instagram Stories, or TikTok videos, and you want to set a region on your desktop to maybe 1080 by 1920, so ScreenFlow is only going to capture everything you do in that little selected region and ignore everything else on your desktop. First, open up the Configure Recording dialog box. You can get to that by going to your menu bar, clicking on the ScreenFlow helper, that's that little camera icon, and choose Configure Recording, or go to the File menu at the top and choose New, or use the keyboard shortcut Cmd N. On the left sidebar, make sure you're on New Recording, then you need to click on the plus and choose the recording outputs. So typically, I would just click on the red record button, then ScreenFlow is going to capture everything that I have selected in the recording outputs. So it will capture my entire desktop or my entire external monitor. It's going to capture my camera. It will also capture the audio. Once I click on record. Maybe I'm recording a YouTube short or an Instagram Stories video, and I only want to capture a vertical section of my desktop, size at exactly 1080 by 1920 pixels. Well, if you look next to the red record button, there's another icon with a little dash square. Go ahead and click that. ScreenFlow will remember and automatically load the last partial screen recording settings that you used. That this section with these little marching ants going around the edges is the area that ScreenFlow is going to capture. To reposition the selected capture region, all you need to do is just click your cursor anywhere inside of the selected region, and you can just drag it anywhere you want on your desktop or on your monitor. And to change the size of this selected region, go to the very bottom of your screen next to the big red record button. There you will see that same icon, the dash square. Go ahead and click that. There you will see a bunch of presets. So you can just select one of the presets. ScreenFlow is going to resize to whatever that preset is. And if you want a custom size, just go to the very bottom, enter in the width that you want. So I'll type in 1080. And for the height, I'll do 1920, and now I've got a size for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Stories, or TikTok, and I can drag it wherever I want on my screen to record. To resize the capture area at any time, just go ahead and click on the little square next to the record icon. You can enter in custom sizes down at the bottom, or choose one of the presets. Unfortunately, there is no vertical presets in ScreenFlow 10, and you are unable to save any custom presets at this time. When you're ready to start recording, all you need to do is just click on the red record button. You will no longer see the marching ants once ScreenFlow starts recording, but there is a subtle outline around the selected region, so anything you place inside of that selected region area, ScreenFlow is going to capture. And when you're done, you're just going to press the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-2 or go to the top menu bar and click on the ScreenFlow helper to stop recording, just like you would any other ScreenFlow recording project. So if you ever want to record only part of your screen in ScreenFlow 10, when you get to the Configure dialog box, instead of clicking the record icon, click on the little dash square next to it. Click on the dash square again to choose a custom preset or enter a custom size. If you change your mind, click on the X that'll bring you back to the Configure Recording screen. Click on it again. Click inside to move the position of your selected region, and when you're ready to start recording, click on the red record button. And if you ever find yourself stuck where you can't click the X or the record button and you can't click the OK button on the ScreenFlow dialog box, tap the Enter or Return key and that will bring you back into ScreenFlow. So that is how to use partial screen recording in ScreenFlow 10. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.